Are you looking to find the model number of your Samsung TV? Whether you need it for troubleshooting, updates, or warranty purposes, knowing how to locate it is essential. Follow these simple steps to find your Samsung TV's model number. Step 1. Check the back of your TV. The most common place to find your Samsung TV's model number is on the back of the TV. Turn off the TV and unplug it for safety. Look for a sticker or label on the back panel of the TV. The model number will typically be printed along with other information, such as the serial number and manufacturer details. Step 2. Use the TV's menu settings. If you can't find the label on the back, don't worry. You can also check the model number directly from the TV's menu. Power on your Samsung TV and grab the remote control. Press the home button on your remote to open the menu. Navigate to Settings and select Support. Go to About this TV. Here, you will find your model number listed. Step 3. Check the TV's manual or box. If you still have the original packaging or the user manual, the model number should be listed on either. Look at the TV box or the manual. The model number is usually printed on the outside or in the specifications section of the manual. Step 4. Use the Samsung SmartThings app. You can also find the model number using the Samsung SmartThings app if your TV is connected to it. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Select your Samsung TV from the list of devices. In the device settings, you'll find the model number listed. Step 5. Visit Samsung's official website. If you still have trouble finding the model number, you can visit Samsung's official support page. Go to Samsung's support website and enter your TV's serial number. You'll be directed to your specific TV's product page, where the model number will be displayed.